talk to you today about the 3 things that homeowners supposed to watch out for. Everything I'm going to say now based on personal experience that I had actually recently with transactions, houses I'm trying to sell or houses I'm trying to buy. So this is based on my experience. 3 things that I want to tell you guys to watch out for. Hi guys, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. We buy houses in Escambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. And we buy houses cash as is in any condition and any situation. Give me a call if you want to sell anything. 850-346-4995. Here are the 3 things that homeowners are supposed to watch out for based on things I have experienced recently. Number 1, if you try to sell a home, or if you have a company that did a house inspection and say that you have a repair estimate on something that they found out is wrong with it, make sure you get a second opinion. Recently, I had a plumbing company claiming that I have a property I'm trying to sell, and they say that I have the drain fill. It's all messed up. It needs to be repaired, and they gave me $5,000 estimate. And I called another company. They came and checked it out. They said everything is in a mint condition, nothing wrong with it. So I could have paid $5,000 for nothing need to be repaired. Probably they just dig a hole and cover it back up. So this is number 1. Make sure you seek a second opinion when you have a big estimate from a company saying that something needs to be repaired without witness it with your eyes. If you're not there, or even if you can't see it or you can't tell, always better to see a second and a third opinion. Not only to make sure if it needs to be repaired to begin with, and to make sure if you can get a cheaper price too. So it's always good to get at least 3 estimates, but mainly make sure nobody get over on you. Second thing, insurance companies who try to stiff homeowners for not coming up with the money that they supposed to, especially when we had last Hurricane Sally last year. I experienced my insurance company paid me $3,300 on a property, my personal property that needs over $40,000 repairs. So I seek a public adjuster because their adjuster didn't. That's the quote that they gave me. Even when we went to mediation, their representative, the insurance representative, say $3,300 was wrong for paying me that. $15,000 alone the roof would cost me to fix that, to fix just the roof. It's about over $40,000, and just make sure that if the public if your adjuster or the insurance adjuster didn't pay you enough, make sure you get your money right. Third thing is somebody give you unrealistic or irrational estimate. I had a roofing company that they did a job for me about around 1,600 square feet home, and they charged me $9,100 to replace the shingles. I liked the job that they did. Got a second job for them for another property that we have, and it's half the size of that building, and their estimate was for just replacing the shingles over $12,000, almost $13,000. So I kind of talked to them about it. I say it's half the building. Shouldn't be, a little bit more than half at least, or at the most a little bit more than half. And it just, the numbers didn't add up. And she said she gonna talk to her supervisor because it's right. I mean, half the size of the building shouldn't cost more than the bigger property that's twice as the size. So these are the three things that I'd like you guys to pay attention to. This is Kamal again with Quality Properties. I hope you get your money right. Don't let nobody get over you. We buy houses in Escambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. Give me a call if you have something you want to sell. 850-346-4995. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.